Here is the bombshell for you. According to the Financial Stability Board, shadow banking is now a $52 trillion industry. That's right, $52 trillion. That's bigger than the economies of US, China, and Japan combined. Most people have no idea it even exists. It is called shadow banking, and it's flipping the entire financial system upside down. So, what's going on? Why is shadow banking absolutely dominating the traditional banks? So, buckle up, because in this video, we are diving deep into 12 shadow banking secrets that are destroying the traditional banks. And by the end, you will understand why shadow banks are winning the financial game. Alright, let's get one thing straight. Shadow banking is the invisible powerhouse of the financial world. Think like hedge funds, private equity, P2P lending, and even crypto. These guys don't play by the same rules as traditional banks, and that's their secret sauce. But here's the crazy part. Shadow banking is growing faster than a TikTok trend, and it's making traditional banks look like they are stuck in 1999. So what's the deal? Why is shadow banking winning, and what does it mean for your wallet? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the traditional banks. They have been around you forever. But let's be real. They are slow, outdated, and expensive. Do you want a loan? So get ready for weeks of paperwork, endless credit checks, and a mountain of fees. Oh, and don't even get me started on their customer service. It's like they are allergic to helping you. And here is the kicker. Traditional banks are heavily regulated. That means they can't take big risks or offer you the best deals. They are stuck in a box, and the box is costing you money. No wonder people are ditching them for something better. So let's get started and dive into 12 shadow banking secrets that destroys traditional banks, and by the end you will understand why shadow banking is important and why it is winning the financial game. Secret number 1. No rules, no limits. Traditional banks are trapped under mountains of regulations, while shadow banks play by their own rules, meaning they can move faster, take bigger risks, and rake in massive profits. Secret number 2. Speed demon loans. Need cash fast? Shadow banking can get it to you in days, not weeks. No more waiting around, unlike traditional banks that take weeks to approve a loan. Secret number 3. Juicy returns for the investors. Why to settle for 1% interest on your savings when shadow banks promise you to 8%, 10% or more? They lure in wealthy investors with the promise of bigger and faster profits. Secret number 4. Private money clubs. Shadow banks operate exclusive lending networks. No regular people allowed. This means they can finance projects, but bank wouldn't dare touch, like risky startups and massive real estate deals. Secret number 5. Invisible to regulators. Shadow banks are not stuck under the government's microscope. They fly under the radar that allow them to innovate and experiment without red tape holding them back. Secret number 6. No collateral, no problem. Traditional banks want your house, car, or anything as a collateral, but shadow banks not so much. They are handling out loans with no strings attached. Secret number 7. Peer-to-peer power. Shadow banking often cuts out the middleman, which means more money stays in your pocket. Borrowers and lenders connect directly. That ensures faster approvals, lower fees, and no bank drama. Secret number 8. Funding the no-go projects. Traditional banks run from the high-risk borrowers. Shadow banks run towards them. Cryptocurrency projects, controversial businesses, you name it, and they will fund it. Secret number 9. Off-the-books trickery. Here is the sneaky one. Shadow banks keep risky deals off their balance sheets. That means they look safer on paper while pulling off wild financial moves behind the closed doors. Secret number 10. Global playbook. Shadow banks are not stuck in one country's law. Shadow banks exploit global loopholes to maximize profit and dodge regulations across borders. Secret number 11. Hedge funds in disguise. Think hedge funds are not just for stock trading. Think again. Many act like shadow banks, lending money and making huge financial bets with almost no oversight. Secret number 12. The mortgage game. Remember in 2008 crisis? Shadow banks played a steering role by turning risky mortgages into shiny investments. and they are still doing it. But here is the biggest secret. Shadow banking is rewriting the rules of finance. It is proving that you don't need a brick and a mortar bank to move money, invest, or grow the wealth. And that's terrifying for traditional banks because it means their monopoly is over. Think about it. If you can get a loan, invest, or even save money without ever stepping foot in a bank, why would you need one? Shadow banking is the future, and traditional banks are scrambling to catch up. The game has changed, and the winners are the ones who adapt. If we talk about the conclusion, so what's the takeaway? Shadow banking is faster, more flexible, and often cheaper than other traditional banking. But it is also riskier, with less regulation and oversight. It is like the wild west of finance. It is exciting, but you have got to watch your step. The bottom line, shadow banking is here to stay and it's changing the game. Traditional banks need to adapt or they will be left in the dust. And for you, it's time to explore your opinions and see how shadow banking can work for you. Alright, that's all for today. What do you think about shadow banking? Is it the future or is it too risky? Let me know in the comments below, and if you find this video eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out our next deep dive into the world of finance. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.